Good morning! Like you saw in this little text box thing here, today is episode number 6. I'm just about to finish a 75-minute morning run here. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my, I think I have 2 minutes left. And then it's on to some more exciting stuff. So I'll see you later. One thing that I haven't talked much about is coming home after a long stay abroad. I mean, I was away for 5 months now. And the reason why I haven't said much is because there isn't really much to say. Every time you come home, everything is exactly the same. And this is the 3rd year in a row where I've been away for 4 months and come home. The next day you wake up, everything is back to normal. One thing that is different this year though is this thing. I usually never ever use my bike for transportation, only in training. Luckily, or unfortunately, that's just about to change. I've got the keys. I've got the keys. And look. What? Look, I can see my reflection in there. It's so shiny. And it's big. The forward edge. And the best part. Okay. Just to make things clear, it's not my car. I wish it was my car, but it's not my car. I'm only borrowing it, loaning it for a couple of days, because Skubes, the company that owns this car, I've been cooperating with them. They've been sponsoring me for a couple of years now. I know a guy there, Matthias. He's very into triathlon and sports himself, and he really wanted to help me out, and I wanted to help him with his training. So that was a good deal for both of us. So now I'm gonna borrow this Ford Edge for a couple of days. I'm pretty stoked to be able to borrow this car just for a couple of days, because it's so amazing. It's huge and it's got all these cool gadgets in here. So yeah, not too shabby. Now I'm down by the waterfront here in Nyköping, and it's canoe racing going on, or kayak, or whatever you say, and I'm pretty late. I think the 200 meters finals are just about to start, like right now, so I better run. As you saw, I just made it out here to the racing, and yeah, I just made it in time to see the women's 200 meter sprint final, so that was good. And now I'm on my way out here on this floating bridge, and a fun fact, this used to be the longest floating bridge in the world actually, until China came and beat the record. But anyway, here you can see how long it is. I'm gonna clean the lens. Better maybe. Yeah, so there's canoe racing going on, and this is the Nyköping's canoe stadium. It's pretty important racing here today. It's the Swedish national team selection race, so yeah, it's very fun. And I have a lot of friends racing, which makes it even more fun. And yeah, it's fun to see other athletes, I think. And now I'm on my way out here, as I said, just try to see if I can get some cool shots. So yeah, let's see what I can get.
Det var sjukt. Det var riktigt sjukt.
Excited. He didn't win, but third place for an old sprint kayaker is pretty good. Or forward, just getting back into it.
Yeah, it feels good.
Yeah, good day. First making the finals in 200 and then third place in the 1000.
Yeah,
Good job.
thanks man.
Always fun when your friends doing well. Let's see if we can find some others here. Maybe a few Olympians, who knows? This one. Right there. Look, there's an Olympian. An Olympian. It's very rare. Can I touch her face? Yes. Linnea Stensil's the first Swede to ever make the finals in a 200 final in kayak or canoe or whatever.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
An introduction.
Introduction of myself.
Yes. Everyone gets
you
so
pretty
shy on
much
camera
do.
all the time, including myself, so it's okay.
Fel! Okay.
Yes! Woo! Done! We just finished grocery shopping at... Yeah, I can't say that because I'm sponsored. We just finished grocery shopping because we're going home after a long day on the ocean.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go and pick up Linnea, and then we're gonna have a barbecue night. But yeah, you met Emil before. He's a very good friend of mine.
Yeah.
And we used to live together for a couple of months.
Tjena!
Welcome!
Ni var snabba.
Yes, the trio is
It's back together.
back together.
What it is.
Now we want to talk about you. How are you?
I have to...
How's your day?
It's good. I'm trying to come up with a good caption for my Instagram photo. Thumbs up for a great start of the season. Happy doing the K1 in both 200 meter and 1000 meter. Plus K2 200.
Yeah, a sweep. Yeah, so now we're gonna go home and eat because we're hungry and hungry.
Det måste vi komma.
Ja, men gör något.
Godnatt.
På engelska.
Good night.